Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something that's interesting. Microsoft in general does a good job at making sure that everything is secure and your PC by, having all of these security updates and patching. Sometimes, out of schedule patching if they have to, fix it all of a sudden that is last minute. And we, rarely have to say anything about it. But sometimes someone, I don't know, doesn't understand that something should be fixed. So it turns out that there's a flaw in Windows. And it's an 8-year-old flaw that is exploited in the wild out there. And it's known by Microsoft. It's been known for some time now. And it happens that that security flaw has to do with links or .lnk files, which will also bring up links that do things. For example, a link that could download a file. So Trend Micro has discovered this flaw in 2024. And they reported that flaw in September of 2024 to Microsoft. Microsoft has done nothing about it. Now, there's even a tech journal that has also submitted that flaw as something to fix, and it was rejected by the Microsoft security team. Yet, this has been traced by Trend Micro to being exploited since at least 2017. Which means that if you download one of those files that could download malware, you will be bitten, because the way that it works is that the flaw lets the .lnk link or file with a lot of empty space in it. And that fools every antivirus. Trend Micro has said, you get this, your antivirus is not seeing it, and you will be bitten by malware. So the actors behind this is mostly state actors, so North Korea, China, Russia, and Iran, according to the researchers. Now, there are thousands of these like malformed links that have been detected online everywhere. So the only response to Microsoft to this is, well, just be careful what you download, instead of fixing the flaw that prevents these links to be crafted in that way. So, it's always the same thing. It's like somebody somewhere doesn't kind of realize that rather than, thinking that everybody should know everything, there should just be a fix so that this is prevented from happening. So, 8-year-old. It's been there, and Microsoft knows about it since September of last year. And Trend Micro has decided to talk about it this week, saying, well, you know what? If you don't want to do nothing about it, I guess we're going to disclose and talk about it. So maybe now Microsoft will decide to fix the flaws in those link files. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.